It's a beautiful day to try to make something with your hands, isn't it? Well, today the members of the Blue Sky Luxury and Terra Caribbean teams will be trying pottery for the first time ever. It's going to be a really fun experience, so join us as we try to make something new. Hi, I'm Charlene Corbin, and I am the social media specialist at the Terra Group.
My name is James Best, and I'm a concierge coordinator with the Blue Sky Luxury team.
Hi guys, it's Tiffany Brewster and I'm a brokerage administrator with Terra Caribbean.
Hi, my name is Julie and I am a senior concierge coordinator with Blue Sky Luxury.
Have I ever tried pottery before? No.
This will be my first time.
I've never done a pottery making.
Oh, it's something new for me. I've never done it before. I've recommended it many times.
I am more excited to see what could happen, but I am also a little bit nervous because I don't know what to expect.
What I'm most excited about is the masterpiece that these hands are going to create.
What I'm most excited about today is to hopefully have a kind of a ghost moment. If you know the movie, then you know what I'm talking about.
Nervous about it not coming out the way I want it to be.
But, you know, that may not happen. So I'm just hoping to make maybe a nice dish.
I think it's going to be a lot of fun.
3, 2, 1. All right, my name is Ronaldo Wiltshire, and I'm the owner of Motions of Clay. Motions of Clay is a pottery experience. So that is from classes that are on the pottery wheel, classes that are hand building, which is literally taking like 2 balls of clay and creating a form, to actually like full one-day retreats. Like we all can start off with pretty much the same style work in the beginning, but I know towards the end we can got totally different styles for pieces. And I'm kind of looking forward to how someone get on the wheel, because that is normally like the tricky bit.
I think I could make a really nice bowl.
Yeah? Yeah. Anybody came with a plan today?
Not really.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Just go with the flow.
That's good. Something I always say in the classes is not to be attached to your work, right? Because Clay is saying that, because you can't control what's happening, just like life.
What's that James doing?
So each you can pinch a little bit off the ball and put it to the side. For you, you kind of got that ready.
What made me say yes to pottery is that I have never done anything outside of my comfort zone, or I typically don't do anything outside of my comfort zone.
I love making things with my hands and being crafty, so I'm very excited. And it's actually one of my New Year's resolutions.
I'm kind of tactile, so it's going to involve a lot of touching and doing, so I'm sure I'm going to enjoy it.
Once I experience it, I can more promote it and sell it to my guests.
Sometimes our eyes and our hands, when working together, don't always sync, right? So I encourage people, you could close your eyes and pinch, right? But I really find like when I close my eyes, you kind of feel the clay a bit more. So if you're feeling brave, you could try to do that, right? All I can ask you guys to do, right? Just kind of scratch around here, right around the rim, on both sides.
So is this to help make them stick together better?
Yeah, so once we add some water to that, and imagine you putting 2 sides that have been scored together, moisture gets in between and they kind of bond a bit more.
When I hear pottery class making, anything to do with pottery, I actually think something calming.
The first memory that comes to mind is that of primary school, and I think of plastic scene, and then you had to create all of these different little shapes and stuff like that.
When I hear about pottery, the first thing that comes to mind is creating something unique and clay.
It's going to end up being a vase for a single rose.
It was supposed to be something like Julie and James. Somehow it kind of looks like a snowman. I don't know why, but we can see.
As the instructions say, don't get too attached to your first thought.
I am making a pot. It's already had its bath, so it's rather smooth. So I'm just waiting to see where we go next from here.
So when using the pottery wheel, it can be a little bit scary and it is fun as well, right? We could actually set the speed by pushing the pedal forward, taking your foot off so you don't have to multitask as much. Then you can just focus on your hands and adding enough water. To stop it, push the heel of your foot down. But the first thing you do is throw the clay in the center. So, that's it there. Squeeze with the tips of your right fingers and at the same time the side of your hand. It's quite difficult, right? Yeah. You're gonna get a lot of pressure in your fingers. Squeeze too hard, less pressure. Really reduce that pressure. Stop.
Wait. I feel it crack. It crack, yes. First of all, a moment of silence for the masterpiece. It was fun.
It was a really fantastic time. I made 2 pieces.
The part of the process I enjoyed the most was actually going on the wheel.
My favorite part would probably be the wheel, although it was also the most difficult part. This is an arm workout. You had to have a lot of strength, which I don't really have that much of.
Applying pressure on the wheel. Who knew it took these kind of muscles? Like what? Oh my God. This is hard.
Ooh, let me tell you, this is rough.
I never thought that I would see myself creating something with my hands that I will be proud of.
I would say yes, I definitely learned a lot about control and letting go. I struggle a bit with letting go.
It definitely taught me that when you're on the wheel, in the initial stages, you definitely have to have a little level of control, and then you allow it then to kind of guide you.
And always remember that what you might want to create in the initial state may not turn out to be what you create in the end.
Would you recommend this experience to guests coming to Barbados?
Oh, definitely. I think this experience really taught me how to kind of let go and just be at ease.
It is something that you make while you're on vacation and you can take home. So it is a souvenir that you made that is not just store-bought. So I think that's really special.
I definitely will try the experience again, and I will also inquire with the instructor on information that we can share with guests so that we can recommend it to our guests.
If I'm absolutely honest, I think this group was really optimistic. There was times when they seemed a little bit scared, but they kind of proved me wrong and they jumped in at the task, and I think they've done tremendously well, man. So I think pottery in general makes people just kind of become present in the moment, because we're using our hands and we're using our creative side of our brain as well. And it does truly have that wellness aspect. I kept saying in the session that we need to embrace the art of letting go and not controlling aspects of the pot. Absolutely, I felt I was a person that used to try to control everything in my life, and pottery kind of helped me to just be free a bit. So I would personally definitely recommend tourists booking a pottery class and a tour. First of all, we have a rich history about pottery on the island. We have lots of different clays all over the East Coast, right? So yes, I would definitely recommend guys come along, book a class, book a tour, and really get engaged in this pottery experience.